Every successful product launch deserves a poster that creates excitement before the big day. Open Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for poster and select a professional poster template with bold typography and strong visual sections. Browse through the available templates and choose one that highlights large product images. Upload your product photo through the Uploads tab and place it in the main image area. Next, replace the sample headline with your product launch announcement. Add a short tagline that builds curiosity and encourages people to learn more. Now include important details such as the launch date, product name, and any exclusive offers. Use Canva's